Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now select Close in white pop-up at the top or just click on your device's screens. Finally, you can click on Send at the bottom left corner and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Then tap on all of those options at the top of Samsung, and thanks to them, select all of your files that you need to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to selected. Then hit Got it and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive. Then to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!